Hello boys and girls, this is KD from KDFxacademy. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to trade on Renko Charts in combination with classic charts. So here we have just put our pending order below the 200 EMA. Here you can see. And first, when we get 5-minute time frame 1 2 3, we just wait for the breakout on the 1-minute time frame. But today I'm just taking entry on the Renko. As you can see, entry has been triggered. Renko we use for highly volatile markets and those markets where the trend is not clear. We just like filter out a lot of noise from the market. And one more thing, that Renko is not a time based, it is just a price based. Like on this case, you can see we are on M60 60 break frame where the new candles forms when the price moves 6 pips above or below. Let's see. This is our 10 times target, but for this I will just go for 1:30 because my stop loss is too much low, almost 15 pips of stop loss. You can go for more. This is now running with 3 times in profit. We'll just hold it. See if it moves. This will be our first 5-minute time frame support area. Price start retracement. Price is not moving just because 15-minute time frame candle is still red. When it becomes white, when it becomes red, it will just boom. Price is just retracing on the Renko chart to the 36 EMA. Well, on the classic charts we have only one candle in permission, while on Renko we almost 3 or 4 candles. Renko, this entry we can also re-enter as a scaling entry, or if someone missed the first breakout entry, you can enter here, but the stop loss will be a bit bigger in this case. Just move down. Yeah, it's just moving down, push. Let's see how it moves. See, we will wait how it moves. Then we will just minimize our stop loss or to the break even. You see price just close to 5-minute time frame support area. So our first support area to be focused. If it just moves a little bit more, I will minimize my stop loss by 50%, so that if the trade goes against me, suddenly I will not be in the loss. With just 50% of the initial risk, I will be losing. Let's wait. Just going down, raise to the support area. Yes. We're almost 3 times in profit. Now almost 4 times, and we reached our first support area, 5-minute time frame. Here you can see, as I told you, that if someone missed the breakout entry, can enter here with the 20 pips. Now price is running, or someone wants to add another position, you can add. 5-minute time frame price reached this area support, and here it is just retesting our support area. I will now just waiting. If that moves a little bit, I will move my stop loss close, minimize the stop loss by 50%. Just waiting. Almost 5 times, we are reached 5 times profit. Waiting for the 5-minute time frame candle, how it trades. Just waiting for the 5-minute time frame candles to be closed, because sometimes 5-minute time frame candle just big candle affairs, and we might say that it has broken our support area, but it just closes again. Too much it the same area of entry. That's why it might sometimes create a problem. Let's wait. Come on. Just retesting our area. And 15 candle becomes red. That's why it's just going. Yeah. Now it is just the red candle has been affected. Here you see, opens above, closes below. Now we will just move our stop loss a little bit close to the entry area. because we are safe, as we have already got the 60 brick frame. 1 2 3. Let's wait how it goes. You can see classic chart. Once we take an entry on the Renko, then we will manage all the things on the classic time chart. Price is just going with 400 pips. We are almost like 25 to 26 times in the profit. Let's see how it goes. Also look at the Renko when we close to the target area. Let's see. Just close to target area. You see, oh, big. This moment was just a red candle, red candle. How many red candles? We are close to the target area. If this trade goes to the target area by risking 3% and going per 1 ratio 1 to 30 times in return, our account will be double, which I will show. This is the trade I made that on a demand for someone who was asking, but now all others can see. And still, if someone do not understand anything, can contact me, ask anything, feel free to ask. I will be happy to help you. Let's see how it goes. We are close. We are just like 60-65 pips away from the target area. You can see with 17,500 in the balance. Now we are 14,000. Now 415 pips. Almost like 27 times in the profit reached. This is how I take 1 ratio to 30. 3% up risk and just made almost 90 times of the profit. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day.